Miss, have a minute of your time, please. Hello? Say it still. Beg a piece of pine. Can you give me a piece of pine? Can I share? Can I buy you a pine? Can I have a conversation with you? Hold on, I'm putting back. I'm not here, you know. Do you know what this is? Okay. You know what this is? I said it still? Alright, she don't want to talk to me. Come here! So a nice lady, the lady will talk to me, yeah? Where have you been? You know what this is? No, more use the other one. I must get a kiss today. Cut and start over.
I don't remember the name.
She don't remember the name. If I put it over your head, I think you'll remember? I lie. Uh-huh. It's a mistletoe. If I put it over your head, you're supposed to kiss me. So come back. Get over your head, what are you supposed to do? You know what you plan for Christmas?
Alright, so I will be around my family.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to enjoy my time with my daddy.
Yeah. Your father cook big pot? You know your father top cook, you know, me know that, you know.
As always.
Pork.
So it's probably like Christmas.
One barbecue ribs.
Pot roast pork.
Pot roast? Alright, we can do pot roast. Wishing you all the best for the holidays.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. Alright, good love. Good Christmas vibe and good Christmas spirit. Now go get the free food.